get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow!
G'day, lovelies. Long time no here. Mate, I was so crook. I'm heaps better now. I'm still not quite right, but I don't think I ever have been. But I was so friggin' crook. I just want to thank you all so much for your well wishes. You're all awesome. I'm so happy to be back. So here is the attitude. So it wasn't just the flu. I have been going through so much crap, it's not funny. But I'm pretty sure that I've decided I'm at the end of it. So from today onwards, we're going hard or we're going home, baby. So, go hard, go old school. Baked rice custard. Alrighty, first thing we need is half a cup of raw rice. I am using long grain basmati rice because it's just over there and it's easy to get to. But you can use any rice you want, okay? So we need half a cup and we need 2 tablespoons. Now, I know that sounds pretty anal, but I've worked it out and this is the exact amount of rice we need. So half a cup and 2 tablespoons. Now we want to simmer up some water, cook it up. Once it's cooked up, chuck it into a strainer with hot water. We want to rinse it out with the strainer with the hot water running. Once we've done that, sit it back on top of your saucepan and just let it dry out, sitting there for 20 minutes. So the other day when I made it, Harley come in and started talking to me and I wasn't thinking what I was doing, and I stuffed it all in the strainer, rinsed it out with the hot water, chatting away to him, and then once I rinsed it out, I shook it a few times and chucked it straight in the oven dish. So when I finished cooking it, there was all this water on the bottom and it was friggin' disgusting. So it's really important to leave it in the strainer and leave it sit there for 20 minutes to dry out. So now we need a deep dish roast oven tray. And then we need a 10-cup oven dish that sits inside of it, okay? Because we're going to pour water down the side after. And what we want to do is just get a little bit of butter and just rub that around the dish. Alrighty, the rice is now dry and I have buttered the oven dish. So we'll just bang that in there. Alright, then we'll just spread that out. Now I'll write the recipe below in the description as always. Okay, so now I'm going to get some cinnamon. If you don't like it, don't put it in. But if you don't like cinnamon, maybe put nutmeg. You definitely need something. Alright, so I'm just going to sprinkle it evenly over the top. So if you were to say a measurement, I would say half a teaspoon. Now I'm doing it the traditional way, so I've got sultanas, but you can use raisins, you can chop up dried apricots small, you can use any fruit that you want, or you can leave it out. So it's up to you, you know, you can put a tiny little bit over it, or you can put a lot, it just depends on what you want. Alright, now we've done that, we're going to set it aside for a minute. Into a large bowl, we want to whisk 4 eggs. Then we want to add half a cup of caster sugar and whisk that through. Once we've done that, we want 2 teaspoons. I've got vanilla essence because I cannot get extract at the moment still. So 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, but if you've got it, vanilla extract is amazing. Whisk that in. Alright, now we need to add 4 cups of milk, and we want to do it 1 cup at a time and a quick whisk in between each one. Alright, once we've done that, we grab our rice. Alright, pour it all in there. Alright, if you like nutmeg, sprinkle a little bit of nutmeg over there. If you don't, don't. And then I like to sprinkle cinnamon as well. Now we want to carefully pour water into the outside dish, and we want to pour enough in that it's just before halfway up our oven dish. Alright, put it back in the middle. Once the oven is up to heat, bang her in there. It's been exactly 1 hour and 25 minutes in my plain electric oven. I'm just going to put it on the sink and pull it out of the water, otherwise the steam will go all over the camera. Oh my god, mate. Woohoo, look at the wobble! Oh yeah, baby. So being rice, it is filling. I would say it serves 6. And if you've got a lot more family or a lot more kids, you can always chop up some banana, put it in the bowl first and then pour some of that on top. Oh. at this baby. Get that into you. There we go, mate. Creamy ass rice custard. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Get your lips around that. Give it a crack. You will not be disappointed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have an awesome week, and I'll see you all on Wednesday. Toodles.